Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to join the Finch community. Finch is a self-care app that helps you build healthy habits and take care of your mental well-being with the help of cute virtual pet. And Finch also has a friendly community where users support and encourage each other in a safe way. In order to join the community inside the app, open to the Finch app and over here. And once you reach into this Finch interface, what you can do is in the top left there's a 3-line icon, select there and scroll a bit down until you find this community. Here you can select join our Finch community. You can select that. Over here you can either join in for the official community outside the app or you can also join to the Discord server, Facebook group, subreddit, your other social medias. Over here you can simply tap on any of the community that you want to join and that is it. You can chat, share tips and get support from the others. You can join the server and follow the rule. And Finch does not have public posts like social media. Community is private, safe and positive. You choose who you connect with, and joining the Finch community helps you feel supported and motivated while using the app. You can connect through friends in the app or to join official Finch community online. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.